anyone even see me up? I can't take this anymore. I'm out of here. Oh, this is awesome. Much better. Woo!
Hey there, presenters. Tired of being stuck in those boxes in the corner or off to the side during your online presentations? Yep, me too. I get it. I feel stuck in this box and like nobody can hear me or even see me. But guess what? There's a game changer in town. It's the mmhmm app camera. With the mmhmm app, you can literally step inside your slides and take your presentations to a whole new level.
One place where really saved me was during a decompression session teaching yoga for Wakelet with the mighty Mizpah. As you can see, it was impossible. But then I used the camera for the same thing, and the feedback was incredible. Plus, I really felt like I was part of the whole experience with the crowd.
With the mmhmm app camera, you're not stuck in the corner anymore. You can be inside your slides all you want, doing all kinds of things. Best part, mmhmm works with Zoom, Meet, Teams, WebEx, and any service that allows a virtual camera. Yep. Come on, let me show you how it works.
It's actually quite easy. You just go straight to the mmhmm website and download their platform. After that, whatever streaming service you're using that allows you to change the camera, you change it from your FaceTime camera or whatever camera your Mac or PC has to the mmhmm app camera. You also will be navigating your slideshow inside the mmhmm app, which allows you to use a variety of backgrounds that they have included, or even your own slideshow.
You can resize yourself, move around the slides, interact with your content seamlessly. Plus, mmhmm integrates with popular streaming services, making it super easy to level up your online presentations. It's a no-brainer. Imagine the impact when your audience sees you right there in the midst of your slides, guiding them through the information. So what are you waiting for? It's time to break free from the box and captivate your audience with the mmhmm app camera. Click on my link below to find out more. Happy streaming!